Welcome to Greenway Tech Talk. My name is Jared Field, and today we're introducing the John Deere 8R autonomous tractor. John Deere has been working on the autonomous tractor and introducing it over the past year to get it ready for farmers to help battle on-farm labor issues and also farm efficiency with weather and other factors that time is of the essence, and they need these machines running at all the time. First, let's kind of take a walk down the history and talk about how we got to autonomous tractors. We think back, John Deere invented the first GPS receiver for their tractors in 1996. From there, they were able to record data, such as yield data out in the field with GPS coordinates and know exactly where it's at in the field. Then from there, they introduced in 2002 AutoTrack. AutoTrack helped make our customers more efficient by being able to drive the tractor through the field and allow them to watch the implement and all the area around it and take some of the fatigue out of driving the tractor day in and day out. In 2016, AutoTrack Vision came along. Again, that's built on top of AutoTrack, but now they've incorporated cameras, and cameras are driving that machine and knowing based on green and brown where the rows are in the field and keeping them straight out there until you had complete crop canopy. And then lastly, in 2017, we introduced our fastest MTG, the 4G, to the tractor lineup to better communicate with these machines and make sure we're getting accurate and timely data back to the cloud or John Deere Operations Center as efficiently as we can. So that brings us to today with autonomy, where we've utilized all of these components plus a few more to be able for this tractor to run on its own out there in the field with just the swipe of a key on your phone. We're still using the receiver. The Starfire 7500 is the latest model that will be required for autonomy. We have G5 displays inside the cab to help run all of the components. We have our MTG 4G, which allows for seamless communication between Operations Center, your phone, and the tractor. New for the autonomous tractor, we're adding EH brakes. EH brakes will allow this machine to stop promptly when it's commanded to, or if it sees an object out there through the new John Deere Perception System. The John Deere Perception System is a series of 16 cameras positioned around the top of the cab to identify any objects that may be out there in the field that are not supposed to be there, such as vehicles, people, animals, or other inanimate objects that may have shown up out there. This machine has the ability to know whether it needs to go around those or just completely stop, or wait on a command for an off-site operator to tell it is safe to proceed. All this is built in to make sure that this machine is as safe as possible running out there in the field and is doing the most efficient job that it can. At this time, John Deere Autonomy is only approved for tillage tractors. Tillage tools in our area that would be available would be a 2660 VT or a 2680H, which is what most of our customers use. When we talk about tillage tools, there's three components that we have to have on there to make sure that we're able to run it autonomously. One, we've got to have TrueSet Active. TrueSet Active helps control each gang and the baskets on that machine so this machine can do it autonomously. Next, we have to have a receiver on there. The tillage tool will have its own Starfire 7500 receiver. And then lastly, we have to add work lights onto the back of the machine so they can see at night. With the lighting package on the tractor and the tillage tool, plus the perception system, this allows this machine to be able to run 24 hours a day and our customers be more efficient with their time. Another great thing about autonomy is this is considered a performance upgrade kit. As a customer, you can utilize the same machines and add this kit to it all the way back to model year 20.5 for 8Rs and 8RXs, or for 9Rs and 9RXs back to model year 22. This can be purchased at a kit and added on. Same goes for the tillage tool back to model year 17. You can utilize your existing tillage tools, add the lighting package, the receiver, and TrueSet to bring it up to date and be able to utilize it in the field. As you can see, John Deere is trying to make autonomy as easy as possible to get into to help maximize our labor resources on the farm. Many farms are short on labor and time, and so being able to have that autonomous tractor out there running 24 hours a day and reallocate their labor to other areas maximizes their efficiency in the field. For more information about autonomy, reach out to your local Greenway store or visit us at gogreenway.com.